These kinds of videos are going to become a new trend and will go viral. Just look at the views on Instagram. And the best part is, making them is very easy. Go to GPT and click on GPT-5. There you'll find the talking object option. Click it and open the chat. Add any object you want. I'm using an orange. Then ask it to create an image. Copy the text-to-image prompt and, in GPT itself, ask it to generate the image in a 9:16 ratio. Download that image. Now, for better understanding, I'm creating another one on harms of using phone. Again, copy the first prompt and generate a new image in GPT. If you want, you can also use Whisk or Gemini to create these images. After that, copy the orange's script and ask GPT to create a prompt for VO3 with sound effects and lip sync. I already have the image. This will give you a ready VO3 prompt. Then go to Google, type flow, click on projects, select frames to video, upload the image, choose the size, paste the prompt, and do the same for the second video. And that's it. Your viral-ready video is done. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.
I'm drying out staring at pixels all night. Screens don't sleep, but I need to.